Alright, so today I'll be showing you how to connect your DJI Mic Mini 2 microphones to your Windows PC. Now, one of the main reasons you might want to connect via the transmitter is because you can actually connect two usable microphones simultaneously on the computer. If you connect via Bluetooth, you can only use one at a time. So what you need to do is get the receiver, and then there's a Type-C connector inside the packaging. So what you need to do is first of all connect the Type-C connector to the receiver. So just open this little door. It's a slide open door like that, and then push this Type-C connector right like this. Okay, so just align it like that, and then there are little grooves there, so just fix it like that, and it should be good to go. Now, before you even connect to your computer, just make sure the two microphones are connected to the receiver. So now you can see currently only one is connected. What you need to do is put this receiver in pairing mode. So just long press on the pairing button, this one right here. And when it's blinking green like that, then you can now grab both microphones and then put them in pairing mode. So they also have pairing buttons, this one right here, and then the other one. Press and hold them simultaneously. They're gonna go into pairing mode and then connect to the receiver. So once you see a steady green light on the other microphone, two steady green lights on the receiver, then it means the microphones are connected to the receiver. So the next thing you're left to do is now plug the receiver into a Type-C port on your computer, just like that. And once that's connected, then you should be good to go. You can actually see the microphone icon has appeared on the screen. Now, to confirm, just go to settings. So you want to go into the sound settings. So go to sound, or you can go to the main settings page, and on the left hand side you can go to sound. You can just search sound and go to the sound settings. Under sound settings, go to input, and then you can see microphone is the wireless RX device. Okay, so you want to select that as your default microphone, and now you can use both microphones on your Windows computer. Thanks for watching, and good luck.